Kan National People's Party kala Pynkhreh bha nakabanta ka Elekshon MDC kabanlong Hagaro Hills Autonomous District Council House Number 1. Ong working president ka parti bapet ye karilum garo Marcus and Marak ubadairu menteri sorkar ka jella. Habakran berkilat pathai Khubor Marcus ula ong ba kidonru ka jingkermen ka bakraw baka parti kan yo biang ye ka jingkershan jangki pat ba ha kan ke election banwan.
Working president in charge of Garo Hills, it's my duty bound to move around and talk to the party leaders. I've been, having several rounds of meeting. First, we had a regional committee meeting in Resvelpara, where we have taken several resolutions. I've directed the district committees of the party to have regular meetings and to ask them to know their MDC candidates from their respective MDC constituencies, and also to identify the oppositions who will be the right opposition, who will be the next opposition with us. So therefore these are the few exercises that I have started doing. I've been having different rounds of meeting, and last week I had a meeting of my own constituency also, William Nagar JCDC constituency block committee meeting also, wherein we have unanimously supported the nomination made by the block party president Rosan M. Samla. He has proposed Mr. Sengbat Armarak's name, so everyone has accepted that, and we have nominated him. We will be nominating his name to the party high command for giving him a party ticket to contest from William Nagar constituency. So this initiative was to push other constituencies, to take positive steps to decide for the party candidates. We have constituted a regional committee headed by me. This regional committee comprises of district party presidents, secretaries, and also the frontal wing president secretaries like women wings and youth wings. And now we are including, we have a farmers front also. So we are including the district farmers front president and secretaries in the regional committee meeting. So in Resvelpara, we had a regional committee meeting to, kick off kind of a meeting atmosphere in the North Garo Hills district. So after the regional committee meeting, they have organized a general district committee meeting, wherein 4 constituencies party leaders have come to attend in Mandipata. We had a very good meeting there in North Garo Hills. Under the leadership of Samla, much have been done in Garo Hills also, apart from the rest of the state. So therefore, people are for the NPP party. They have seen the kind of activities that is happening in Garo Hills. So people are there for the NPP party, but as I said, it will depend on the candidates that will be putting up in for the MDC elections as well.